The whistleblowers the system tried to silence, they weren't criminals. They weren't activists. They were insiders. And that's what made them dangerous. Across America's prison system, guards, doctors, nurses, and civilian staff saw things the public never did. Beatings hidden behind paperwork, medical neglect labeled as policy, abuse explained away as procedure. And some of them did what the system says it wants. They spoke up. A correctional officer reports excessive force used on an inmate already in restraints. A prison doctor documents untreated infections, broken bones, and delayed emergency care. A nurse flags falsified medical records after deaths in custody. But instead of reform came retaliation. Schedules were changed without explanation. Promotions vanished. Write-ups appeared overnight. Some were transferred to dangerous units. Others were fired outright. In several documented cases, whistleblowers were labeled troublemakers or accused of violating confidentiality, while the abuse they reported was quietly buried. One former guard later said, "The inmates weren't the only ones trapped. Once you speak out, you're done." Federal investigations would later confirm parts of their claims. Civil lawsuits exposed patterns of cover-ups. Settlements were paid without admissions of wrongdoing. But the damage was already done. Careers destroyed, mental health shattered, lives permanently altered. The message was clear. Silence is rewarded, truth is punished, and the system didn't have to threaten them. It just let them disappear. These whistleblowers didn't lose because they were wrong. They lost because they challenged power from the inside. And their stories raise a hard question we still haven't answered. If the people who report abuse are punished, who's left to protect the truth? If stories like this matter to you, subscribe for more real crime and justice breakdowns. Like this video to help it reach more people. And comment below, do you think whistleblowers are protected or sacrificed? Because silence only wins when we stop listening.